Hi everyone, welcome to Veronika Hug. Today I'll show you how you can do back singles in rounds. So they're called back singles because I do a bit different single in the back row to get a really nice end result in the end. So you can see the different effects that it has on the outer side as well as on the inner side. So when you work with multiple colors, you can also get really interesting effects. So when you learn the stitch, and especially when you learn it in rounds, you can do a lot of different things with it. So I'm using Woolly Hugs charity, so 25 cents of each spool goes to a charity cause, hence the name, but that's the wool of my choice for today. So let's continue. I did a little piece here, so I'm doing front and back rows. So one row with regular singles and one with back singles, so that the pattern doesn't get weird or twisted in any way. If I work it in rounds, and I would kind of get spirals, and I want to avoid that this time. So I'm first doing the front row as I would usually, just regular singles that you probably already know how to do. Go through, take the thread from underneath, go through, and one more time, go through the two loops. So super simple. This is one of the simpler stitches that you can learn how to do. There we go. So now close the round up with a regular slip stitch. So you just go through and then pull the thread directly through that. And then we do another chain and return our piece. Here we go through for our first back single, and you can even see the spot for our last stitch when we reach the end of the round. So let's go through both of the loops from the back, take the thread from under and pull it through, and again take the thread from the top and pull it through both of the loops. And again from the back through both, thread through from under and from above, and through both loops. So you see that it's really not complicated. All you need to do, and it's actually a really cool trick, just turn your needle so that you don't lose the thread from it. Really simple and really cool to apply to your work. Makes it a lot easier. One more time from the back through both. Then goes thread through from under. And from above and through both loops. And this is what the front side looks like then. You see that we have a row out of the back singles and a row out of the regular singles. And here is the round change that you see, obviously very straight here. So this was the stitch. I'll make sure to post more videos with the stitch and more videos with different projects you can do out of it. I will also try to include projects with just one color and with multiple colors, since you really get lovely effects. So let me know what you guys think. Feel free to shoot a thumbs up and you can subscribe to the channel. It's all for free and that way you stay updated every time I post something new. You can also let me know if you'd like us to do something specific for one of the next videos. And apart from that, I'll see you in our next video. Have a great day. Bye!